So in a couple weeks, we're gonna put out a new EP. And we wrote this song. Radio's not gonna play this song. Because of the message. It's controversial. Yeah, it's fucking controversial. Fuck yeah, it is. So we brought out some friends and we're gonna get this message really loud and clear. Shakara showed up to class, she pulled out her mobile phone. It's the one thing that she owns to keep her known. She's an orphan now, she just moved to a foster home. That phone keeps her connected. She's gonna keep that shit protected. The teacher said, get out of the class, come on, can I stay? To his shame, he said the call's been made. I hear footsteps sounding eager of a cop that's about to beat her. Now I am on with the good fight. And if the cops so fine, so he says, hey baby, have a good night. I am on with the good fight. And if the cops roll by, let the colors go blind. So elegance, alright. Officer Slam came through Chicago backwards against the wall. I mean, he flipped her just like a rag doll and broke her arm. Tossed across that room, face down on the deck. He put his hands around a 16-year-old girl's neck. Now I am on for the good fight. And if the cops roll by, throw a peace sign, say, hey baby, have a good night. I am on for the good fight. And if the cops roll by, let the colors go down. So hey the kids, alright. Ooh, no, the kids are alright. All the kids are alright. Okay, I'll keep it simple. Now on the classroom floor, there's a little blood spatter. Why is it so hard to say Black Lives Matter? Doesn't mean that you're anti-white. Take it from me, I'm super fucking white. And on the tally, hey, that's Naya Kelly. On the Kelly file, saying the Fox News Corps is proud of you. She's a girl that stood back to a brutal attack. I'm doing victory lap, you get a plaque in the back. Hey, I fooled you, that never really happened. I mean, come on, could you imagine? So I take it in my hands. I talk about the shit in my rock band. And I got black fans and I got fans with suntans. And we all have the same demands. Say I am on for the good fight.